Dear children, in this video we are going to find out the union and intersection of two different sets by using the given specification which is on the screen. So we have got a class set along with two data members, which is array and the size, along with constructor, along with input and display. We have two more functions, one for union and one for intersection here. Now this is a specification, this is the code which we have implemented. Now class set, data members are defined, scanner class which is static, so that the same scanner class object we can use it within the main method also. This is a constructor, and here we have filled the set elements here, we are displaying the set elements here. In the main method you can see that we have got entered the size of two different sets, and then we have displayed the elements of both these sets after we have filled. So the size of the first set, and these are the elements of the first set. Now size of the second set, and these are the elements of the second set. Now you can see that these two sets are on the screen. So in an organized manner, if we want to display set 1, this is set 1, and here set 2. Okay, now we want to implement insertion, intersection and union of two different sets. So first of all, we will see how to implement intersection. So set intersection and set obj2. This is the function in which we will be implementing the intersection of two different sets. So first of all, we have to find out what will be the size of the resultant sets. The set which is having minimum number of elements, its size will represent the size of the resultant set. So here S is equals to math.min. Here size means the size of the set with current calling object. obj2 dot size, the size with passed object, the size of the set with passed object. So this is how we have got the size. And now set result is equals to new set passing S, and here we have got this variable k. In between here we will be implementing the logic for intersection, and now after we have got the intersection of two different sets, we will be returning the result. So children, here let us start searching and finding the intersection. So for int I will be 0 till it is less than size. This is for the current calling object size. So it will go from 0 to less than size. And for the passed object we have for int j will be 0 till j is less than obj2 dot size, which is from 0 to less than obj2 dot size. And now, as we know that set is a collection of well-defined objects, means that each and every element of the set is unique. So we need two loops here, one for the current calling object set and another is for the passed object set. And now you just search if a of I matches with obj2 dot a of j. It means if the element of the first set matches with any element of the second set, that then immediately result dot a of k plus plus will receive a of I and immediately break. Why? Because every element is unique in both the sets by its definition, which is set as a collection of well-defined objects. And now after that we need to find out, we need to initialize this size variable because k number of elements have been shifted within the resultant set only. Now this is a logic for intersection. So let us see this logic in the main method. So here let us call these methods within the main method. The intersection is, so set inter, and here it is first dot intersection, and it is second, and after that you need to display enter dot display. Let us see that. Suppose the size of the first set is 3 and it is 1, 2, 3, and the size of the second set is 5, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more, which is 6. Now you see that 2, 3, 0, we have got this, but here one more 0. Okay, yes, the reason is here I am displaying the whole array within this. If we don't want that 0, simply means that we need to start this loop from I to less than size only, I plus plus, and here a of I plus this. See that size of the first set is 3, which is 1, 2, 3. The size of the second set is 5, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see that the intersection is 2, 3. So this is what we have got, the intersection. And now children, see that union part. So in union part we have to define another function. Let us see. This is the function prototype for the union. So union, and here it is set obj2. So children, in union how many elements are needed? The size of the set representing the union will be the sum of both the sets, the sum of the size of both the sets. Actually, suppose in the first set total number of elements are 3, and in another set suppose total number of elements are 5, and if their intersection is null, it simply means that the size of the resultant set in this case will be 8. That's why for extreme case I have considered this, and after we have got this, we need to return the result. And in order to find out the union, we have to do something. We have taken this variable k and f. This k will represent the index of the resultant set, which is progressive. It will get incremented every time whenever we are filling, and this f is for status. So this we will see later on, but how to find out the union? So first of all, start a loop from 0 to less than size representing the current set, first set, which is being with the first object, and here this loop is from 0 to less than size, which is result dot a of k plus plus, which is a of I. So what we have done, from the first set I have shifted all the elements in the resultant one, and then from the second set I will be shifting only those elements which are not the part of the union set. So how to implement that? Here for int I will be 0 till it is less than obj2 dot size, and here and then this is a status variable which we will be using, and now here start a loop that will go from 0 to less than size. This is now for the current set, first set, and if a of I if obj2 dot a of I matches with a of j, if it matches with this, then f is equals to 1 and break will happen. Actually it will start from j, not from k, not with k. Okay, see, this is what we have done. So children, this much we have done, and now here what to do. If f is still 0, then result dot a of k plus plus will receive obj2 dot a of I, and after that result dot a of k, result dot size will be k. So let us see that how it's working here. obj1 dot a of I, no, it is obj2 dot. Children, suppose the size of the first set is 3. Suppose the size of the first set is 3, which is this one, and these many elements are there. And here if the size of the second set is 5, which is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the intersection is coming. I have not called this function of union, so better we must call this function of union. So here what to do, the union is and here set union is equals to first dot union second and union dot display. This is what we do. Size of the first set is 3, 1, 2, 3, and the size of the second set is 5, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you see that union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we see this first set 1, 2, 3, and here if we see the second set, which is 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, since 2, 3 is a part of union, so it will come only once in the 2, 3 is a part of the intersection, so in a union it will come once. So that's why here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will explain, I'm going to explain the union part again. Children, here in this, what I have done, I have copied all the elements of the first set, and then here it is arrays dot to string result dot a. I'm displaying. So now here first set is 3 and it is 1, 2, 3. Second set is 5, it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see that here first time when I was copying here, what happened, I'm printing this, if you see this line arrays dot to string result dot a. So initially what I have done, I have copied all the elements of the first set, which is 1, 2, 3, and then the rest of the cells are empty. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements are there. Now in the second set, since we are having 5 elements, but what will happen, this element is the part of this also. So I have started this loop for the second set and holding every element at a time, one element at a time, and at that moment what is happening, f was 0. Now j has started from 0 till size. So what I'm doing here, I'm just checking the elements from the second set whether they are the part of the first or not. If they are the part of this first one, then F will become 1 and break will happen. And if they were not the part of that, F will remain 0, and if they were not the part of that, it means they must be the part of union. That's why I am just storing these elements within the resultant. After that, when this process is over, this K is representing total number of elements at present in the union after processing. This is how this code works. So I hope you must have understood this concept. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for